Okay, so now let's find the volume of another solid of revolution. It's going to be a great 3D figure that we're going to get here. So let M be the region bounded by the curve f of x equals x squared plus 1, so it's this, the x-axis, and the lines 0 and x equals 2. Sorry, the lines x equals 0 and x equals 2. So it's this area here that we're talking about. Right, so I'm calling this area, whoops, made a mess here. Calling this area M. That's the region that we're dealing with. And so if we take this region and we spin it around the x-axis, thereby forming this awesome solid here, this awesome figure that's going to resemble, I guess, some sort of a vase or something. So we want to figure out what the volume of this solid would be, and we're going to use this formula, of course. So okay, so what is the value of A? The value of A is 0 because we're starting over here, and the value of B will be 2 because that's where we end essentially. So from 0 to 2, pi f of x is just a function x squared plus 1, and we're gonna need to square that, and we have dx over there. So great. In this case, I'm just going to take out the pi because that's just a constant, right? So I can just remove it from the integral. And if I square this, I get x to the 4 plus 2x squared plus 1 dx. Fantastic. Now, the pi is just going to stay outside here. And if we integrate this, we're going to obtain x to the 5 over 5 plus, is that okay? Because we just add a 1 here, then we divide it by the number that we get up top anyways, because that'll be the antiderivative of x to the 4. And over here we have 2x squared, so we're going to have 2x cubed over 3 as the antiderivative, plus x, and we want that between 0 and 2. So we're going to get pi times, now I can plug in the 2 and subtract the same function but with a 0 plugged in. In this case we're going to get 0 for once we plug in the 0. So I'm just going to plug in the 2 to figure everything out. So we're going to get 2 to the 5 over 5 plus 2 times 2 cubed over 3 plus 2. Great, so now we get pi times 2 to the 5 is 32, 32 over 5 plus, now 2 cubed is 8 times 2, 16 over 3 plus 2. Now, thinking whether I should go through the trouble of adding up all these numbers, I think I'm going to leave it like this for you guys. After all, we can just plug that into the calculator. And so that is the answer. So once we add them up, we multiply the answer by pi, we will get the volume of this amazing looking solid that we will get by spinning region M around the x-axis. So sorry about that. Hopefully that made good sense, and I'll do some more. I'll do some more for you guys.